I'm Chris Lawrenson, and this is Slurp, Gulp, and Start on Sounds. In 2011, I finished writing and designing my poetry anthology. Excited to publish, I ordered a hard copy to finally proofread. That copy arrived, but then my hard drive died, taking all the files with it. The book was never published, and this singular copy has been on my shelf ever since. But now I'm sharing it with you. In this podcast, I'm reading poems from the book and diving more deeply into some of them. Follow along in the show notes. On to the episode. Well, I'm excited to be here today because this is the first normal episode of this podcast. Today I'm reading the first poem in the book. It's titled The Slide Projector, and its subtitle is We'll Slurp and Gulp and Start on Sounds. And that's where the book's title comes from, is this poem. There are so many shades of red on one projection slide. Given enough butter and fat, a chocolate cake can slide along the length and width of a room, on any given intensity, on each red ray that is projected, on every color, in fact, it can. A high-speed, clicking, monotonous tone will show you how this cake can move. With every snap of plastic forms, a beam will push on our beloved, across any length and width of space, back and forth, seeming redundant. After each PATT is distinct, we'll use controls to feed our mouths. We'll push and tap to feel content, then slurp and gulp and start on sounds. Thanks for listening. To support and influence this work, head over to patreon.com/chrispoetry, where there's lots of free bonus content and more opportunities to support and influence this work. To help the show, leave a 5-star review on Apple Podcasts or Spotify. See you next Wednesday.